Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. I'm Hasting the Quickest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to browse the internet privately. So first of all, you open your browser, any browser of your choice, whether you're using Android phone or an iPhone. But I'm using Android phone, so I'm going to use Chrome browser. Alright, so this is the normal tab that you can browse, and as you're browsing, you're going to be there's going to be save history, save everything is going to be saved. But if you want to browse the internet privately, this is what you do. First of all, I'm using Chrome. Tap on the three dots over here and tap on new incognito tab. But whichever browser you're using, you might see something like private mode, but over here we have new incognito tab. Alright, when you just tap on it, you're going to enter incognito mode. Alright, so it means that you can browse privately, and when you close it, no save history, no browse history will be saved. Alright, so because I'm recording this video, when I tap on incognito, nothing will be displayed because it is private. Alright, so if I tap on it now, as you can see, there's a blackout. Alright, so anything I search or do here will not be displayed on this screen record because it is actually private. So hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Adios.